The Sage of Serenity. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a man named Eldon. Eldon was no ordinary man. His mind sparkled with wisdom, and his heart brimmed with kindness. The villagers, in awe of his cleverness, affectionately called him the Sage of Serenity. Eldon's small cottage stood at the edge of the village, surrounded by vibrant wildflowers and ancient trees. As dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, Eldon would emerge from his humble abode, wearing a cloak of deep blue that seemed to ripple like the waters of a tranquil lake. His eyes, though aged, held a glint of perpetual curiosity, and his beard flowed like silver threads. One day, as Eldon strolled through the village square, a commotion caught his attention. A dispute had erupted between two farmers, Gideon and Thalia, over a meadow that both claimed as their own. The villagers gathered, their voices rising like a cacophony of discontent. Eldon approached the quarreling duo, and with a gentle smile, he asked, "What seems to be the trouble, my friends?" Gideon and Thalia explained the situation, each vehemently asserting their right to the meadow. Eldon listened intently, his eyes narrowing thoughtfully. After a moment of silence, he spoke. "Instead of battling over this fertile land, why not share it? Gideon, you can plant your crops on one side. And Thalia, you can cultivate the other. Cooperation will yield a richer harvest for all." The villagers, initially skeptical, pondered Eldon's words. Gideon and Thalia, realizing the wisdom in his suggestion, agreed to the compromise. The meadow soon flourished with a tapestry of crops, and the once hostile farmers became steadfast friends, thanks to the Sage of Serenity's clever counsel. Word of Eldon's wisdom spread beyond the village, reaching the ears of a powerful lord, who ruled over the neighboring lands. Intrigued, the lord summoned Eldon to his grand castle, seeking advice on matters of governance. Upon reaching the castle, Eldon found himself surrounded by opulence and grandeur. The lord, a stern-faced man with a crown of gold, posed a complex question. "How can I ensure the prosperity of my kingdom and the happiness of my subjects?" Eldon, unfazed by the imposing atmosphere, thought for a moment before responding, "Great Lord, prosperity lies not only in wealth, but in the well-being of your people. Foster education, encourage trade, and ensure justice prevails. A content and enlightened populace is the foundation of a thriving kingdom." The Lord, impressed by Eldon's sagacity, implemented the suggested reforms. Soon, the kingdom prospered, and the people lived in harmony. The Lord, acknowledging Eldon's invaluable counsel, appointed him as the royal advisor. As Eldon navigated the intricate web of court politics, he remained true to his principles of fairness and compassion. His clever solutions to complex problems earned him the respect and admiration of both nobles and commoners alike. The kingdom thrived under his guidance, and the once stoic lord even found a confidant in Eldon, sharing tales of their triumphs and challenges over a game of chess. Despite the opulence of the castle, Eldon remained connected to his roots. He often visited his village, where he continued to share his wisdom with the villagers. The meadow, now a symbol of unity, stood as a testament to the power of cooperation. One day, a messenger arrived at the castle with news of a neighboring kingdom planning to invade. The lord, troubled by the impending conflict, sought Eldon's counsel once more. Eldon, his eyes reflecting the wisdom of years, proposed a daring plan that combined diplomacy and strategy. Through skillful negotiations, Eldon managed to forge an alliance with the neighboring kingdom, averting the threat of war. The lord, grateful for Eldon's brilliance, rewarded him generously. However, Eldon, true to his nature, used his wealth to improve the lives of the less fortunate in the kingdom. As the years passed, Eldon became a legend. His tales whispered in every corner of the realm. The Sage of Serenity, with his clever mind and compassionate heart, left an indelible mark on the pages of history. His legacy endured, not in the grandeur of castles or the gleam of gold, but in the hearts of those whose lives he touched with his simple yet profound wisdom.
If you enjoyed my story, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. I regularly post new stories, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch and listen. Thank you.